See, what is it when you? I'm doing the fifth question. So what do you have?
How can that be 4?
See, listen. You have men, 72 men, correct?
Yeah.
And the mean height is 1.79. Then here you have mean height of this woman is 162, 1.62, and there are 28 women. Now you know that your mean is equal to sigma x over n, correct? Huh? So what's your sigma x basically?
Sum of all the.
So sigma x, the sum would be n into x bar.
Yeah.
When you cross multiply. So that means if the mean is 1.79, when you multiply that by 72, you'll get the total you'll get the sum of the heights. Achha, now you have 1.62 is the mean for women, there are 28 women. So you'll get the sum of all the heights of the women. When you add this, you'll get the height of all the 100 individuals. You divide this by 100. So that's the logic. So basically, if you can remember, if there are two groups, N1, X1 bar, if you have another group who's N2, X2 bar, then the combined mean is given by N1, X1 bar plus N2, X2 bar upon N1 plus N2. You can do it this way also, or you can do it logically also. Correct? So you're finding the overall mean. Sixth one, try. How do you do that?
You find the total number of things. You do 2 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 6 times 3 plus 9 times 4 plus 5 times x plus 9 times 6 plus 7 times 4. Over the number.
Mean is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. So mean is 4.5, correct? Sigma fx is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6. Are you following that? This into this, 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 like that.
Yeah.
Plus 6 3s are 18, 9 4s are 36, 5x, 9 6 are 54, 7 4s are 28, over
2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus x plus 9 plus 4.
Correct. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus x plus 9 plus 4, and you solve for x.
So it's the option.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. You know how am I judging? Because see, the mean is 4.5. So it's in middle of this, correct?
Yeah.
That means more or less it will be this will be divided. So 14 seems yeah. So now how do you find out standard deviation?
Put it on the table.
Yeah, put in a table, list 1, list 2. No, there's no formula. You have to use calculator only for this. There's no formula for this. So standard deviation, you just read this out.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, you don't know. You may not. I just that you can just put this and you can get the answer. So the histogram.
900, 950.
Yeah, the histogram represents the age of 270 people. Yeah, so 40. So the height of the histogram will give you that.
Yeah.
So the 70. So this is here. The height.
Yeah.
Correct. This is here 100.
50.
Then this is 50. This is 50.
Yeah.
So 50. Correct. And this is 10. Mid interval values. So you find a midpoint. So that's your x basically. Yeah? So midpoint of 20 and 40 is 30. 20 plus 40 divided by 2.
So then that can be 40 plus 100 divided by 2.
40 plus 60 divided by 2. Why 40 plus 100? Look at this.
Oh, that.
So that's 50. So what are we looking at?
70.
70.
90.
The class interval you have to do. Mid interval. Mid intervals. The intervals are midpoint. 90. Okay. So if it's without calculator, how do you find the mean? You know the formula for mean? Sigma fx upon sigma f. So 40 into 10, correct?
Plus 70, 30.
Correct, and so on basically.
Over 270.
Oh yeah, 270. Basically so if they give you smaller numbers, they'll give you without calculator. And that's how you find a mean. So whenever the class interval is given, you have to use the midpoint. So from the histogram, you can get that.
This test is only calculator.